eat,
to consume food,
have,
to eat formally,
take,
uh, to accept or consume,
feed,
to give food to someone,
be feed,
to be given food,
bite,
to cut food, to cut food with the teeth,
chew,
to crush food with the teeth,
shallow,
to make food go down with uh, to make food go down the throat,
third, lick,
like to pass the tongue over food,
good, suck,
uh, to draw liquid or food in into the mouth.
good, nibble,
Mm, uh, to eat in small bites,
pick,
to eat very small amounts,
no,
um, to eat rapidly,
trans,
yes, to chew hard food,
good, months,
to chew speedily,
chew,
to chew speedily,
steadily,
steadily.
and noisily.